Hello and welcome to my channel. In the previous video, which is part 7 of MS Excel Beginner to Expert series, we got introduced to autofill feature and had seen several uses of this to quickly fill data on a worksheet. If you have not watched that, I recommend you to please watch and then continue here. This video is a continuation of learning more uses of this feature, which will take you through how to quickly enter date related data of the entire year or any date range within seconds, where you can make a choice of entering either all dates in that range or only weekdays without weekend, or a particular day like dates of only Monday or end of the month dates just with few clicks. And also in this video you will get to know about a nice option called Custom AutoFill, where you will learn how to create a customized series of your own which can be used in AutoFill and other tools of Excel. Let's continue our learning. Let me take you through first example. Imagine I would like to enter all the dates of the current year, starting from 1st January 2021. Let me type the first date. Now let's see how quickly I can fill all the dates of this year. I click on the first date. I'll go to fill series again, that is by going to home tab, fill, you have series, click on that. Now again, because I'm filling this in columns, I'll be choosing columns. As we are filling dates, so this should be kept as date. Step value would be again 1 because as it is an increment of one date. Stop value, I will give the last date of the year, that is 31st December 2021, and then I click OK. Have a look. I have 1st Jan, 2nd Jan, 3rd Jan. Now if I press Ctrl down arrow, it is gone up till 31st December 2021. In a quick and an easier way, I can fill all the dates of this year. You can use this for whatever range of dates you would like to fill in. Let's see how can I use this option to enter only the weekdays, which omits Saturday and Sunday. So I'll start with again 1st January 2021. I click on the first date, go to fill again, use series. So I got the series dialog box. Let me also show you one more way to get this series dialog box without going to the tabs. Let me close. To get the fill series dialog box, you can go to the fill handle. Using right mouse button, you can drag down and back again and leave the button. The moment you leave the mouse button, you get so many options. One of the options in the bottom of this menu is series. If I click on that, you will be taken to the same dialog box again. As I wanted the entire year's weekdays, so again this has to come in columns, so I'll pick columns. It is date again. Change the date unit to weekday here, not all the days, only the weekdays. Step value is 1. Stop value is again same, 31st December 2021. I click OK. Have a look. So I have 1st Jan, 2nd Jan and 3rd Jan is a Saturday and Sunday, so it has skipped it. It has gone to the next date, that is Monday 4th Jan. So I have got Monday to Friday again here. 9th and 10th is skipped, which are again weekends. Like that it goes up till the last day of the calendar year. Let me come back, Control up, and now in the next example I'll show you how can you enter dates of a particular weekday for an entire year or for any range of dates which you want. Let's imagine I just want to enter the dates of only the Mondays of this current year. The first Monday in the current year is 4th Jan. We have seen this in the previous example. Let me type the first Monday, 4th January 2021. Go to fill, go to series. You can also use that right click technique which I showed you just now. That is also fine. But let me now go through this command here. So fill, click on series, pick the column. So it is date again. The only change which I do now here is for the step value. As we want a difference of 7 days, I'll just change this to 7 and I give the stop value 31st December 2021. Click OK. Look at that. So I got 4th January, 11th January, 18th January. So all these are Mondays of this year 2021. So it has gone up till 27th December 2021 because The duration was of only 1 year. And in the next example, I'll show you how you can enter end of the month or beginning of a month of an entire year or for a different range of dates. Imagine you want to enter last date of each month. Now I go enter the last date of the month January, that is 31st January 2021. Enter. Now look at the trick. Click on the date, go to fill, go to series, column, it should be date, and date unit should be month. And you enter the stop value, that is 31st December 2021, and I click OK. Now I got the last date of every month of this current year. This can be pretty helpful for most of us. Hope you agree with that. Now in the next example, let's learn how do we create a customized autofill in Excel. We all know that when we drag a cell which contains some text using fill handle, we get the same text everywhere. For example, if I enter Excel and using fill handle if I drag, we know that it copies the cell value which was dragged, right? Now let me type some other text. Let me type India. Now I'll try to drag this. What do you think will come when I drag this? What? You said India? I would also like to see India across all the cells, but dear, look at this. Hey, what's happening? I'm getting different country names when I drag this time. Like I got England, I got Germany and other countries. See, if I drag some more, you could see there are other countries popping up. This is what is customized autofill. Let's learn how do we create a customized autofill in Excel. For this, you have to first create something called custom list. So we need to add all the items of this list somewhere in Excel. Let's take an example. Imagine you have a list of categories like this. Whenever we enter one of the category names on Excel sheet, and if you drag this, I should get the other category names. Currently, it is not happening. See, if I drag this now using fill handle, I'm getting the same category name. But I can change this to bring seafood, condiments, and other categories which are listed in this. Let me undo this. Let's learn step by step how do we create this. For this, select all the items of which you are creating a custom list. Now to add the items to a custom list, you need to click on File, go to Options. When you click on Options, you get Excel Options dialog box where you find so many tabs here like General, Formula, Data and all. For our current requirement, I'll be clicking on Advanced. When you go to Advanced, you'll see so many options here. The custom list is available when you scroll this to extreme last. So you have a group by name General. In this, you find Edit Custom List. I go click on this. This will bring the dialog box. You could see an option Custom List here. You have all this predefined custom list by Excel like weekday names, month name in short and full format. And you can also see the list which I have created like the list of countries. So now we need to add this list to the custom lists, right? So for that, you have an option here, Import List from Cells. And if I go click on this box, the range which we had started, you could see that is being selected. In case you had started from some other place, you still have an option to select here. So you can just click on this box and you can select whatever list items you want. So now after the selection, you have a button Import. You need to click on that. You could see this list items have been imported to the custom list. Now let's see what's the effect of this. Let me close these dialog boxes. Click OK. Again I click OK. Now let me type one of the category name here. You don't need to start with the first category only. You can write any of the category names here. So let me type seafood. And I use fill handle to drag this. You get all the items coming according to the order of custom lists. And for your information, this list is available across all the files in your Excel application. If I start a new workbook, let me type Ctrl N. Let me type one of the category name, maybe produce. I go use fill handle and drag this. So it appears even here. So this keeps coming until you delete this custom list. Let me quickly take you through how do we remove this custom list, you have to again access the same option by going to File, Options, Advanced, scroll extreme down, click on Edit Custom List, select which you do not want to have as a custom list in future, and there's a button Delete here. So I go click on it. It will ask you for the confirmation, click OK, then just close the dialog boxes. Now if I type one of the name of the category and you drag this, you will get only the copy of it, not the custom list. I hope this custom list creation will be helpful for you. And also know that the custom list creation which we learned today will be useful in sorting a table of data in the order of how the custom list is created, apart from ascending or descending orders. I'll be covering this when I make a video on sorting techniques. And that's it in this video. In the next part, you are going to learn a magical tool called Flash Fill, which automatically fills your data when it senses a pattern and will allow you to combine, extract, or transform data in a flash. Please don't miss watching this, as I'm going to cover so many examples which are amazing and useful. Thanks for watching this video and hope you liked it. And if you have liked, please give a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my YouTube channel Excel is Magical, and hit the bell icon to get notifications whenever I upload new videos. See you in my next video on Flash Fill.